Okay, so we are going to install this video doorbell camera here. We just removed customer's existing doorbell. Customer did have a wire here, so we just strip the wire all the way, open it up, and make sure this wire is in here, tacked in, and use the provided small screws that comes with the doorbell. Mount the plate and make sure you open this screw, this tiny screw, all the way so it doesn't drop, but it gives you space here. And now we are going to mount, slide this plate from the top, close it, and then use provided screw from the bottom to tighten it. So once the connection is proper, you're going to get the blue light here which shows the connection is proper, and we just made this screw tight. And after that we'll do a setup on customer's account. So after a few seconds we see this red and green blinking light. That means this video doorbell is ready to connect to customer's Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're now connecting. Okay, so at this point we ask customer to log into their alarm.com app, and then we're going to click here, and then we'll see doorbell. Click on doorbell and click on add doorbell. Okay, and then we'll see our doorbell, so click on it. It's asking us to install it hardwired, which we already did. We click next, and it's asking us if the green and red is blinking, and we confirm that yes, it is blinking. Then we are fine. We click next, and now we can name the device front. Okay, and then we click next. So first we need to connect to this temporary Sky doorbell. It's now looking for Wi-Fi, starting with the name Sky Bell. Your device has created temporary Wi-Fi, so we need to go to customer's Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so we see the Sky Bell. We just connected to this one first. So once we are connected to Sky doorbell, and now we click next. After we click next, then it shows us customer's Wi-Fi. We'll choose customer's Wi-Fi and enter their Wi-Fi password. So after we enter customer's Wi-Fi password, then installation begins. This step takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on their internet connection, and then we'll see the live doorbell here. So after it completes the download connectivity, we get the message next. We just click next, and now we see the doorbell. Click on the doorbell, turn on, and we see the light. And from here we can end the call, arrow back, go to customer's thing, and we see the doorbell in the account, and the doorbell is just right here.